I feel really excited because I love to draw and I love to paint a lot because it's when I grow up I want to be an artist.
What is it?
So we're here this morning at Pugh Elementary, which is the first of 6 campuses that will be receiving visual arts single student use kits to be used for their visual arts instruction.
Oh yeah, they're pastel.
It was through a grant that was awarded to the Fine Arts Department through the Harris County Department of Education. Each campus will be receiving 83 kits, which will be dispersed by the teacher depending on need for both synchronous and asynchronous learning.
I'm extremely grateful to receive this donation from Harris County and the Visual Arts Department of HISD because a lot of my students don't have basic resources, and this year has been really difficult. We've had to get really creative because we can't share supplies. So I know that my students are really excited to receive their own art supply sets.
As a principal and as an advocate for arts and education, it really makes me so happy to see our students exposed to the arts.
1, 2, 3, cheers! Yay!
All right.